Next go to new group. 18th group elements. Eighteenth group element is known as noble gases. Or rare gas element. Noble gases element or rare gas element or inert gas. Inert gas element or aerogens. Aerogens. So, 18th group elements is namely called noble gases or rare gas element or inert gas element or aerogens. The 18th group element, it can be first number 1 helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. They are called 18th group family or 18th group element. In this, all elements become a noble gases or rare gas element or inert gas element or aerogens. All are is a gaseous state like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Okay. Next, gentle electronic configuration. Gentle electronic configuration for 18th group element NS2 NP6. NS2 NP6. Outermost electron become 8. So, to become octet state, 8 electron. For example, helium, atomic number 2. Helium, atomic number 2, electronic configuration 1s2. Neon, atomic number 10. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Suppose argon, atomic number 18. Neon 3s2, 3p6, outermost electron. All element among the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 element to attain octet state, except only one element, that is helium, do not attain octet because of triplet. Only 2 electrons are present. One more question. All noble gases, outermost electron to attain octet state except helium. So helium only 2 electron, that is doublet element, only 2 electron, s orbital, that is exception of helium. Another one, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. All element are participate p orbital. All element outermost electron or element are participate p orbital, but helium do not participate, is a p orbital. Only to participate s orbital. Helium, neon, argon. Suppose krypton 4s2, 4p6, xenon 5s2, 5p6, radon 6s2, 6p6. So all outermost electron can participate p orbital except helium. Helium is the only participate for the s orbitals. That is anomalous behavior of helium. Okay. Next, all elements gaseous state present in atmosphere. All element is a gaseous state is present in atmosphere. Okay, atmosphere, present in atmosphere. Next one, argon. Argon, cheapest gases. Argon. Argon is the cheapest gases. Next, radon. It's a radioactive element. Radioactive element. Radon is a radioactive element. So, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Just introduction. The next go to Trent. Trent, first one, ionization energy. Ionization energy. The first ionization energy become decreases. The first ionization energy become decreases. The first ionization energy become decreases. In generally compared to other element, highest ionization energy. Highest ionization energy. First, what is the definition of ionization energy? The energy required removal of outermost electron. The atom must be in gaseous state. For example, A2 gives A plus 1 electron replace. A2 gives A plus 1 electron replace. Why? Noble gases have high ionization energy because of stable electronic configuration NS2 NP6. NS2 NP6. So highest ionization energy, stable electronic configuration NS2 2 electron, NP6 1 2 3 4 5 6 NP6 NS2 NP6. The removal of outermost electron, the atom must be in gaseous state. Such energy is known as ionization energy. Cannot be easily replaced, cannot be easily removed outermost electron. So ionization energy become high. Next one, oxidation state. Oxidation state become zero. Zero oxidation state. Next, electron affinity. Zero. Electron affinity zero. So oxidation state become zero. The next, electron affinity zero. Next, less reactive. Less reactive is very least reactions. Very least reaction. That is a rare element. It's a less reactive. Next, physical properties. Generally colorless, odorless, tasteless gases. Colorless, odorless and tasteless gases, non-inflammable. Non-inflammable. It's a general properties. So non-inflammable, that is general properties. Okay. The next one, generally once again go through the 18th group elements. So once again go through the 18th group elements. First one, noble gases. Noble gases or rare gas or inert gas or aerogens. The noble gas is namely helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Okay. Electronic configuration NS2 NP6 octet code. NS2 NP6. Next one, all are gases present in atmosphere. Argon, cheapest gas. It's a radon, it's a radioactive element. Ionization energy become high. First ionization energy decreases. Highest ionization energy. First ionization energy decreases. The next generally high ionization energy. Oxidation state 0. Electron affinity 0. less reactive, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Down the group, atomic radius. Atomic radius and boiling point and the melting point. Atomic radius, boiling point and the melting point become high. Down the group, atomic radius, boiling point and the melting point become a high. This is general introduction of 18th group. Next go to chemical properties of 18th group element. Chemical properties of 18th group element. Already you know 18th group element is less reactive. Less reactive elements kuda. So only xenon and krypton. Only xenon and krypton is react with fluorine. Let us consider first one. Xenon is reactive with fluorine to give xenon fluoride at the temperature 400 degrees Celsius. At the temperature 400 degrees Celsius. This is the ratio become 1:2 ratio. 1:2 ratio. First, xenon react with the fluorine to give XeF4 tetrafluoride 2 times. Temperature 400 degrees Celsius in the presence of acetone. In the presence of acetone, xenon react with the fluorine to give 400 degrees Celsius, 200 atmosphere, XeF6, xenon hexafluoride, 6 fluorine, only 2, 3 to 6. The ratio become 1:20. Xenon tetrafluoride, the ratio become 1:5. So xenon is reactive to fluorine. There are 3 compound is obtained. 3 compound. So 3 compound is obtained. First one kuda XeF2 difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride, xenon hexafluoride. This is one of the properties. Xenon hexafluoride followed by SiO2, silicon dioxide, at the temperature 50 degrees Celsius to form XeOF4 plus silicon combines with fluorine, SiF4 2 times, 2 xenon 2 times. Next one XeOF4 followed by SiO2 to gives xenon XeO2F2 plus SiO4 silicon tetrafluoride. Third one followed by SiO2 to gives CO3 plus SiF4 2 times balance. Next one 2 xenon only 1 times kuda, sir, 2 times kuda. Okay, first equation in the presence of SiO2 silicon dioxide. Next one xenon hexafluoride followed by hydrolysis water to give XeO3 plus hydrogen combines with fluorine HF, hydrogen fluoride. 6 fluorine only 1 times, 6 times. 3 oxygen, only 1 oxygen, 3. 3 2s are 6 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen, 1 times of xenon and 1 times of xenon. Okay. Next go to chemical properties. Take 2 moles of xenon hexafluoride followed by 16 moles of NaOH, sodium hydroxide to form Na4 Xe O6 plus xenon plus O2 plus 12 NaF. Sodium combines with fluorine, NaF plus sodium fluoride plus H2O. Water. This is named as a sodium perxenate. Sodium perxenate become act as a strong oxidizing property. Manganese dioxide Mn2 plus 5 XeO6 4 minus sodium perxenate followed by 2 moles of Mn2 plus manganese 2 plus in the presence of H plus to gives 2 MnO4 plus 5 XeO3. It's 2 Mn2 plus Mn2 plus. To calculate the oxidation state for Mn, X plus 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 1, X minus 8 equal to minus 1, X equal to minus 1 to plus 8, X equal to plus 7, that is plus 7. So Mn2 plus becomes changed to Mn plus 7. Oxidation number increases, oxidation. So sodium perxenate become act as a strong oxidizing property. Strong oxidizing property. This is chemical properties of 18th group element. Okay, thank you.